Go.
Here's a laptop. It needs a new screen. It's had a fall. First thing, turn the thing off. Take the battery out. This Samsung laptop, the cover comes off by prying it to expose the monitor. A flat screwdriver or a spatula can get you into the case to get the screen exposed. It snap fits together. Once it's unsnapped, this piece comes out, leaving the screen exposed. There's 4 screws that hold the screen in place. Take those out with a small Phillips screwdriver. One. 2. 3. 4th screw came out. The screen itself comes out. There's one connector on the back side, unfastened, taped in place. Here is the part number of the replacement screen. It's best to get one that matches the exact part number. Things that can be different. The electronics, things to note. The connector here, what side is it on? Are the electronics enclosed inside the frame or not? So that's some of the many differences in laptop screens. Laptopscreens.com. Foam pack. Yes, part number matches. That's a good thing. Compare with your old screen and you can see that the connector locations are the same, the mounting tab locations are the same on both ends. This screen will drop right in. Not like the bad experience I had at eBay with some other vendor. Remove the tape that is covering the screen, protecting it from scratches. Reconnect the video cable. Match up the holes where it lines up. And put the 4 screws back in. there's 4 screws. I'm going to go put the battery back in and turn it on before I put the plastic cover on it. Power it up, and we'll see what happens. Beautiful. I have a working display. Like that. I'm going to put the cover back on. Start Windows normally because I turned it off kind of fast. Snap, snap, snap. And get the last spots on the screen. Cover snap together. And we have a new monitor and a new screen and a laptop. Thanks for watching.